in the world. Here is our list of the top 10 most expensive cars in the market. They often carry a very high price tag since they were never mass-produced and rarely sold to the general public. For these reasons, these vehicles are often highly sought after by enthusiasts and collectors alike. 1. Ferrari 250 GTO. It is said that this car was cared for by Enzo Ferrari himself, and it became the most expensive car in June 2018. It was sold for $70 million, making it one of the world's top 10 most expensive cars. 2. Ferrari 290 mm. Only 4 of these sports racing cars were produced from 1956 to 1957. These automobiles were exclusively designed for professional sports drivers and had an estimated value of $22 million. 3. Bugatti Royale Kellner Coupe. There were only 6 Royale Kellner Coupes produced from 1927 to 1933. Not only was it considered one of the rare car brands, but each coupe was customized upon the buyer's request. Each one of these vehicles would cost over $500,000 today. 4. Aston Martin DBR1. This car would cost around $22.5 million today, making it one of the top 10 most expensive cars. Only 5 of these vehicles were produced, and none were sold to the public. 5. Porsche 917. This car made its name and fame by participating in the Le Mans 24 Hours races. In a 2017 auction, a Porsche 917 was sold for $14 million. Secchi Lamborghini Veneno. This high-performance vehicle is considered ultra-rare, with only 5 coupes ever built. Each of these cars was sold for $4 million. 7. Jaguar XK120C. Only 53 Jaguar XK120C ever built, considered the rarest Jaguar model in history. Each XK120C will sell for $13.2 million. 8. Koenigsegg CCXR Trevita. It is believed that only 3 of these car models were produced, but the production of the 3rd one still needs to be completed. It is estimated that this Swedish limited edition sports car can sell for $4.88 if ever it was put into an auction. 9. Maybach Exelero. There is only one Maybach Exelero ever built in the world. It was manufactured in 2005 and was sold to Birdman, a rapper, in 2011. Its estimated value is $8 million. 10. McLaren F1 LM. Only 5 of these rare car models were produced from 1995 to 1997. The